We are in for a treat today, and we have no idea what we're doing. Sketchy as hell. I'm not going on that. Unreal.
I've never eaten so much in all my life. Ed, shout it out. You are just the best.
We're in America. Yes, sir. We are in for a treat today, and we have no idea what we're doing apart from Mama.
This is all me today. This is all me.
Yeah, the only thing I know is that we are going to one of the most famous places in a lot of famous books with authors such as...
Oh God, am I on the spot again? Dean Koontz, James Herbert, James Patterson.
I mean, apparently Stephen King. There's some big people. Maine, you might have heard of it, you might have not. If you haven't, you should know because it's a super famous place. It's okay, I would say they're quite famous people though. But that is only one of like 4 or 5 spots today that we're checking out outside of Boston. So this is gonna be a once in a lifetime, man. Come with us. Wow, already we've been driving for like an hour and a half. If you guys didn't know, I was slurring my words this morning because we were up at a solid 6 a.m, okay? So you think, oh, this guy can't talk, yeah? Give me a break. It's early, but we have just stopped at the Stone Wall Kitchen for some lunch because we haven't ate. I'm starving. We're gonna get a coffee, indulge.
I'm gonna spoil you today.
Oh, yeah, you heard it here first. Let's get in there, man. I'm actually the best. I'm actually the best. I pocketed some sauce before my mum even knew it. Oh, I wish we had sauce. Boom. 4 ketchups out of my pocket. So we have gone for the latte, as we do. Beautiful. Hint of cinnamon. They had honey here as well. W's in the chat. Then we have gone for the omelette wrap. Look at this bad boy.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah. That is looking bossing. Ready. Oh. Yo. You know the vibes. Start off with a wrap. Cheers.
Some of my sauce?
What have I got? Mushroom, spinach, cheese, omelette, cheddar. I already said cheese, but it's got so much in here. I don't even know all the ingredients. What's here? Big mouthful. My mum hates it when I film when she's eating it. We'll go do it anyway. What are you saying? Good? Yeah?
Anything's good when you've been up since 6.
Yeah, anything is good when you've been up since 6. This is true. So we're gonna down these off and let the journey carry on. And our first stop is in the lovely little town. I say little, it's quite small, but some of the houses here are ginormous. I'm not even joking. Like, I've never seen bigger houses, like multi-millions, the woman said. We're in the little town of Cape Neddick, and just behind us, which we'll be checking out in a minute, is the lighthouse called the Nubble. So this is a very cute little town.
You just love the words, don't you?
They're cute words, aren't they? Like, you just the Nubble, you know? But yeah, we're just gonna walk around this town, see some of these houses, see this lighthouse, and just enjoy the vibes, man. The sun is shining, and the lake, I said the lake, I said the ocean, I said the lake is looking beautiful. So whenever you come to places like this, always speak to the locals because they will have the cool facts. And a lovely lady called Brenda, shout yourself out, Brenda, she actually told us that this lighthouse has been built in 1879 and has been running since 1879. And what I mean by running is they have the light on so people know that there is a bay here. And the only time they did turn it off was back in World War II because they didn't want anyone to know that they were here. So that was super interesting. There was actually a family that lived there with pets, 2 kids, and a lighthouse man that took care of it. I don't think they had one after him. I think he was the last. She didn't say when he stopped looking after it. I'll have to find that out. But the only way to get over there is on a cable car. And you'll be able to see it, but let me tell you, that looked sketchy as hell. Yeah? I'm not going on that.
No, it doesn't look.
You know what, if I'm there, yeah, and my kids turn around and go, oh, Dad, we ran out of eggs, I'm going, tough luck, you can nuts, no more eggs for you.
Bless them, darling, won't plays off a homegrown
And after going through the windy roads of the multi-million houses, we have ended up in Perkins Cove. This place looks so gorgeous. We're gonna walk along the rocks, check out the harbour. Let's see what it has to offer.
Trying to get paid, you know it's all still part of the game. They running 5 drills, I'm off for the chain, and I'm hot still. Looking like Scorpion, get over here. Been some people trying to relate, ain't close to here. Think it ain't a sacred place, you done misinterpret relationships, just ain't been worth it. Fool if you think when I don't post, I ain't working. Never too close, I know no things certain.
After another little drive, we are in the town of...
I can't pronounce it.
Kennebunks, my mum couldn't pronounce it. It is Kennebunks.
It's not Kenny.
Well, guys, I'm gonna find out. I am 100% sure it's Kennebunks. Yeah, it's Kennebunks. So we are in this beautiful town. This is actually our main stop for today. We have a few hours here, so we're gonna walk around, definitely get some food.
We have a trolley tour.
We have a trolley tour, which is gonna be exciting. I actually love this. I just learn as I go when you guys come with me. Hey, yo, we're walking around this town. You'll never guess what. You'll never. The best British clothing brand you've never heard of. Bro, it's Fat Face. I wouldn't say that's the best brand that we have, but I mean, Fat Face. Okay, well, that's fat, I think. What?
Mission and ration it to the people that play the position. Your passion is one that never abandon any pushback. We cut ties and lose hands. Yeah, I ain't the one to be tied.
We have decided to settle down in Federal Jacks. We got recommended this spot, and wow, is it a spot. We are overlooking a very picturesque harbour with the USA flag flying in the air. We're in America, and we have gone for the Blue Rush Smush Blue Jam. Yes, amazing. She said it pairs well with our food. I'm not going to tell you our food yet, but just know it's a good one.
I've got
Cheers. Goats Island.
Island.
Yeah.
So remember the first bit.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, that's good. That's like in between a beer and an ale. It's lovely. But yeah, we have gone for the food which captures everything about Maine. I'm just gonna show you when it comes out. I don't know how I'm gonna approach this, but I said this covers the whole of Maine. This is what we're dealing with. We have the lobster sandwich, we have the blueberry crisp, the fish chowder, and the Maine fries with oyster crackers on the side. I don't know what that even means. Oyster crackers, we're gonna try them. I'm actually gonna go for something maybe outrageous. I'm gonna start with a chip in my chowder. This could be a horror move. I don't even know if I like chowder. I've never had it before in my life. Okay.
Is it hot or cold?
It's like creamy. It's like a little bit fishy, not too fishy though. Oh yeah, it's good. It's good. I don't know how I'm gonna approach this lobster roll. Just bear with me a second. Look at the size of this thing. There's so much lobster in it. I'm gonna give you to my mama. Okay. Honestly.
White t-shirt.
Mini roll, white t-shirt. Cheers.
Oh my goodness.
Unreal.
The view.
Look at the view. Oh, Mama, you're getting it now.
I've got the
and
camera
back
for
to
the
me.
first time.
I'm gonna catch you after. Oh my goodness, what a quadruple greatness of servings. We are so full, probably my mum more than me.
I've never eaten so much in all my life, actually. Ever. No, seriously.
I know, I'm proud of you.
No, seriously. I don't have to eat now because he does worry that I don't eat very much. So now,
yeah,
I don't have to have anything else today until tomorrow, which is amazing.
I'm a growing man. You need to eat a lot. When I don't see my mum
so
eating,
full.
everyone will relate to this. When you see your parents eating or family eating, you're happy because you know they're looking after themselves. But honestly, that blueberry crisp, oh, so many fresh blueberries. Blueberry pie is humongous around this area. You must have heard of blueberry pie in movies. Honestly, unreal. But now we're gonna hop on the trolley, and the trolley is gonna take us around this beautiful town. Right, now I know you guys got really excited and thought that my mom was gonna push me around on a shopping trolley. However, it's not that type of trolley. I don't even know how I would describe this vehicle. I mean, you've seen it. It's super cute. He's going to be driving around, telling us a few facts. My mum decides she doesn't want to sit next to me. What is that about? Like, do I smell? Obviously, you guys don't know if I smell, but I hope I don't smell. Alright. So, yeah, let's get this show on the road. Wow, this is going to be our first stop on the in-town trolley. To be honest, he is overloading us with information.
There's so much stuff.
I'm just going to tell you the ones that are quite interesting. But this town, which I didn't know, George Bush actually used to stay here a lot. It was one of his favorite places to stay. So that makes a big difference, like, to a lot of people that live here. They're like, wow, my president came to this town, which is probably why it is as busy as it is. But just this green behind me, you can see, this is actually where George Bush parachuted down on his birthday.
85th and his 90th.
85th and his 90th. On his 90th, he was getting a bit old and he actually fell face forward onto the grass, but he was okay. And we are going to be looking at the St. Anne's Church now, which he used to love to come to. This was his safe space. So we're going to go and check this out. It is made out of complete stone. It is definitely one of the most gorgeous churches I've seen. Guys, honestly, I wish I could give you more information of what he just told us, but like, can you say anything that you just got told?
No. But he was amazing. Ed shouted out, "You are just the best." Loved our Ed.
He was amazing. So much banter, so many jokes. I just can't tell you what he said because he'd tell you something amazing, you'd go wow, and then he'd instantly tell you something else which was interesting, you'd go wow, and then you go, wait, what did he just tell me before? Finished. But unbelievable take around of the city. Well, city is a town. Man, I'm so used to being in these city lives. I come to a town, I forget where I am. But this place is honestly so gorgeous. If you're in Boston, come check out Maine, come Kennebunk, which if you guys did see, is Kennebunk. It is Kennebunk.
Kennebunkport.
And Kennebunkport.
Which is literally, you can walk 2 steps and you're into Kennebunkport.
Yeah.
You walk 2 steps the other way and you're in Kennebunk.
You heard it here first.
Yeah, you're getting good at this.
So, that is going to be the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed coming around with us today. I thoroughly enjoyed it. It was actually my mama's trip, so thank you. I appreciate you.
Thanks. It's one of my
Drop a like,
days.
subscribe if you haven't already. It's been your boy Binksy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Big blessings.